PHIRWT now. Alright, HH activated.
This is a weekly test of the NOAA weather radio all hazards warning device for station KIH-28.
I don't know.
Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built
No WXK97?
activated to warn of the impending
Alright, let me at least get WXM60's test.
normally conducted by the National Weather Service.
Hello?
New Jersey.
Is WXM60 today?
11 a.m. and noon.
Alright, let me just see if I can get WNG. Alright, they're finally testing, but, great, you failed. You stink. Oh, I guess they haven't gone yet.
The service forecast for Chesapeake Bay north of Fool's Island started at 4:10 a.m. Wednesday,
Weather watches and warnings for the following counties.
Finally, WNG's going. So I think that means that WXK97 is now going to relay.
Philadelphia, in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware, Kent, and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay.
test of the NOAA weather radio all hazards warning device. Station WNG 704 in Hibernia Park. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazards. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service.
Here is the area.
Alright, you're done.
During the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even when you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Burke, Chester, Montgomery, Lancaster, and Lebanon. In Delaware, Newcastle, and in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Fool's Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather radio all hazards. Station WNG 704 in Hibernia Park, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA weather radio all hazards. Here is the
Alright, so PHI went early today. I knew this was going to be a shit rain warning.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland,
North?
Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Tapsco River, including
Maybe?
Baltimore Harbor, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Middle River, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source.
Oh my god. Hello?
Small craft could be aboard by suddenly higher
Oh
winds
God,
and
no.
waves capsizing their vessel.
Don't tell me you're going to crash.
Locations impacted include Dorchester Beach, North Point State Park, Park Village Island, and 7-Foot Knoll. Rotors should cease. Gusts 34 knots or greater. High winds, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm. The following river states data is for recreational use only. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, and Sunrise River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 4 p.m. At 2:54 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Fort Smallwood State Park, moving southeast at 10 knots. Hazard, gusts 30
Bro,
are indicated.
are you dead serious right now?
Could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel.
Second time.
Impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Mill Point, Pinehurst, Magazine River, Sandy Point State Park, Gibson Island, Baltimore Light, Bodkin Point, and 7-Foot Knoll. Rotors should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. High waves. Dangerous lightning. rain are possible with this storm. The following river states data is for the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia.
That's north of Fools Island.
Of Fools Island, Maryland, until 4 p.m.
Thunderstorm was located over Spassuti Island, moving east at 15 knots.
Eat. Wait, what?
Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations and tactics include Northeast River, Turkey Point, Spassuti Island, Aberdeen Proving Ground, and Hatter Delaware Grace. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm.
Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The following is an extreme heat statement from the National.
Is this for the Philly Metropolitan? I don't think so. I did hear East Norton.
Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, and Montgomery.